Students, now we will discuss the functional groups that contain in them the carbon, hydrogen and oxygen atom. In these group of atoms are present in them. The first one is alcoholic group. The functional group for this is OH. Their general formula is ROH. It means that any alkyl radical can be with this. So here the R, it represents the alkyl group. The examples are like methyl alcohol CH3OH, CH3CH2OH ethyl alcohol, which is formed from the ethane radical, and CH3CH2CH2OH is the N-propyl alcohol. Okay students, the general formula for the alcohols is ROH. Mean any alkyl radical can attach with the OH group, then the compounds are called as alcohols. There are different classes of alcohol depending upon the bonding or their structure, like primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. Now what are primary alcohols? Now here this R group, it may be methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, any group. So first see the methyl radical, which is formed from methane CH4. After the removal of one hydrogen, what will form? Methyl radical as CH3. So the alcohol will be, the formula of alcohol will be CH3OH and its name is methyl alcohol. Same from ethane, CH3, that is the formula of ethane. The radical which form, that will be after the removal of one hydrogen, what will be? CH3 and then CH2. Then now the alcohol, when it will attach with OH group, so what will form? CH3 CH2OH. Now it is called as ethyl alcohol. What it is? Ethyl alcohol. Now one hydrogen from this carbon atom has been removed. So this carbon atom from which hydrogen has been removed, it is attached to one other carbon atom, one more carbon atom. So this type of alcohol is called as primary alcohol. Then secondary alcohol. See, the general formula for the secondary alcohol is CHRR. It means here the alkyl radicals will be. Now the alkyl radicals may be methyl, ethyl, butyl, whatever. So we can write with methyl. CH, here the CH3 group, here one more CH3 group, and then for alcohols it is OH. Now this carbon atom from which hydrogen has been removed, this is the alkyl radical of propane and this is propyl. Then this carbon atom from which hydrogen has been removed, it has been attached to two other carbon atoms, so it is called as secondary alcohol. Now secondary, now the radical C, CH3, C and CH3, CH and CH3, it is what? 1, 2 and 3 carbon atoms are there, so it is propyl. From propane, it is the radical propyl, so it is secondary propyl alcohol. Secondary propyl alcohol. Now see the tertiary. The general formula with this carbon atom, the 3 alkyl radicals may be. So now the formula of this will be CH3 for these R groups, CH3 and then one more CH3 with OH. Yes, now tell which type it is. Carbon from which hydrogen has been removed. This, it has been attached to 3 other carbon atoms, so it is called as tertiary alcohol. As this is the radical of the butane, butyl radical, so it is tertiary alcohol, or its name will be tertiary butyl alcohol. What it is? Tertiary. It is what? It is tertiary butyl butyl, butyl, and then alcohol. Okay students, the next one is the ether linkage. For ether linkage, the functional group is COC. The general formula is ROR prime. Prime indicates that these alkyl radicals may be same or different. Now for these, see the examples here, like CH3, the alkyl radical of methane, O, the functional group for ether linkage, and CH3. As both the CH3 groups are same, so its name is di, means 2 methyl ether. The next example is C2H5, which is the alkyl radical of ethane, O, functional group of ether linkage, and then C2H5, so its name is di, means 2 diethyl ether. See the next example, the alkyl radical is CH3, then O, the functional group of ether, and then C2H5, which is ethyl radical. So its name is ethyl methyl ether. Why it is not methyl ethyl ether? Why? Because it is the rule for the naming of the organic compounds that alphabetically the letter that comes first that will name first. So it is ethyl methyl ether. The next is aldehyde group. For aldehyde group, the functional group is CHO, or we may write it as C double bond O and then H. The general formula for this is RCHO. For aldehyde group, this R, it may be the alkyl group or it may be the hydrogen atom. Now the examples for these are like H, C double bond OH, it's formaldehyde, CH3, the alkyl radical of methane, CH4, C double bond O, then H, it is acetaldehyde. Okay students, the next group is the ketonic group. Functional group for the ketonic group is C double bond O. The general formula is R, C double bond O, R prime. Again, R and R prime here are the alkyl groups, which may be same or different. Now see the examples of these ketonic group. CH3, C double bond O, CH3. Here again the two methyl radicals are there, so its name is dimethyl ketone. All the ketones, they end with the suffix ONE. So its other name is acetone. We may call it as acetone. Then the next example is CH3, C double bond O, CH2, CH3. Here the alkyl radical is different. It's ethyl methyl ketone. What is the name again? Ethyl methyl ketone. And remember again the rule for the naming of the organic compounds, that alphabetically the letter that comes first, that will be the name first. So it is ethyl methyl ketone. The next group is carboxyl group. Functional group for this is C double bond OOH. The general formula is R, C double bond OOH. R may be the alkyl group or hydrogen atom. The examples, if the hydrogen atom is there in place of the R here, so it becomes formic acid. H, C double bond OH. Basically this here is the functional group. This, with that hydrogen attach and form the formic acid. The next example is of acetic acid. Here this R is CH3 and remaining is the functional group COOH. So what forms acetic acid. The next one is the ester linkage. For ester linkage, the functional group is RCOOR prime. The general formula for this is RC double bond OOR prime. Examples here again for these R and R prime, which may be the same or different. If these are same, like in this example of methyl acetate, CH3, CH3, so CH3, CH3 and then ester group, so it is methyl acetate. Here both the radicals are different. CH3, C double bond O, O, C2H5, so its name is ethyl. As this is acetate, so it is ethyl acetate.